cadets, today I will discuss about ASEAN history and what is their purpose and what is happening to ASEAN right now. What is ASEAN history? It developed in 1967 and based at Bangkok, Thailand. At first, ASEAN has only 5 members: Indonesia, Malaysia, Thailand, Singapore, and Philippines. In 1984, Brunei joined the association along with Cambodia, Vietnam, Laos, and Myanmar. Except for development of religion, ASEAN also has the goal to fight communism. The ASEAN is the 7th largest economy in the world. From the years has passed, ASEAN established so many promotions and enhancement for economic integration. The political security for stability of every region, free flow and socio-cultural, which the enhancement of cultural community. So, what is the goal of ASEAN? The purpose of ASEAN is to create a single market and production base to enhance political and security cooperation among members nations to ensure regional stability, peace, and security, to foster social progress and cultural development, with the goal of strengthening the cultural identity and well-being of Southeast Asia, to address environmental concerns and promote sustainable development practices to protect the environment and natural resources in the region. In conclusion, the goal of ASEAN or purpose of ASEAN is aiming to create to more integrated and prosperous Southeast Asia, both economically and politically, while preserving the region's cultural diversity and ensuring peace and security. ASEAN serves as a platform for member nations to communicate and address regional challenges. So, what are the situations that ASEAN facing nowadays? First, of course, the human rights concern of people. Some ASEAN members face criticism for human rights abuses, including issues related to freedom of speech, political repression, and treatment of minority groups. This was a significant challenge for the organization in terms of maintaining its commitment to human rights principles. Second is the economic disparities. Economic disparities among ASEAN members states continued to be a challenge, while some countries enjoyed a spurt economic growth. Others face developmental challenges and income inequality. Lastly, of course, the pandemic response. From the past 3 years, COVID-19 pandemic had a significant impact on the ASEAN region, affecting public health, economies, and trade. The member states face challenges in coordinating their response and access to vaccines and other supplies of goods. Also, some companies and businesses was go down, but some companies gain and has confidential growth to their business. Hope you learned something from what I tackled this day.